everyone. Today we want to explain how to send the VHF DSC test. So this is our VHF set. The second officer will explain one by one about everything.
Yeah, this VHF model JRC NCM-1770, this model. I will explain first. Menu,
Slowly.
go into menu, main menu, number 1, DSC non-distress call. This enter this like this choice call type. Call type is RTD individual, this choice set individual. So this is this means all safety, all versus safety. Individual test I want show this address, other versus address, MSI number
From other ships.
set to 9009-414. I will this finish. I will call like this. Okay.
Okay, now
This
we are receiving the acknowledgement.
yes, acknowledge.
Other ships.
Yes, other ship acknowledge. Load in. Can see load in. Other. Wait a moment. This for safety. This date. This acknowledge.
Already received.
Yes,
now.
already received.
Very good. Acknowledged received by this ship.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Done.